Want to see the power?
That's not possible. Did that just happen? I haven't been drinking. Did that just happen?
Well, life gives me beer muscle.
I slipped though, right? You saw me slip? I just tripped, guys. It's okay. That didn't happen. It's fine. It's fine. It's a slippery ring, so. I know, right? Where's the other two sides? I think so. You're not stronger. Let's do it right here. Let's do it. Arm wrestle you right in here. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Who wants to arm wrestle? Shit.
We gotta do this in the ring though.
Wait, we need a table.
Within the confines, yeah.
We need a chair. We need a chair right there.
I'm gonna get that chair.
Safe to get into the ring with that object. I don't know that I want to do that.
You can't raise the arm down because you got it.
Sure he can. All right, back him up, ref. Come on, he's got a chair. Arm wrestle? I'll do it. Get the chair, ref. What are you doing? Come on.
Okay, it broke.
No, on the canvas.
It broke.
On the canvas.
Not doing this.
Wait, before I arm wrestle, I need some more power juice. Come on.
Okay.
No! Hey! No, hold on.
Wait, look at that. Just run it.
I need some power juice.
Count it out, ref. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, that's how you count. That's how you count. Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6.
Biff, let's go. 7,
8, 9, 10. Yeah. No, just count quickly. 1, 2, 3. Count the pin.
I'm ready.
8. 9. Are you on wrestling? That's what this is? We do. But you know what? How about that? How about that?
break the count. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120,
know what's going on here. Where's the ref? Help me. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
What he said. He said no. Biff, do you want to end this?
No.
He said no. Stop holding hands. No. Biff, you want to quit? He said no.
Here we go, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Biff, put it down. Come on.
I think it's time for you to drink some beer.